Yeah, this here came in after my video yesterday, and there wasn't too much to do on it. Had to change the oil and the filter and everything. The carburetor's all gunked up, so a new battery. Let's see if it's going to fire up here. It won't just ought to, I think. It's got gas in it from 2 years ago, so I recommended that he take and just put more gas in and run it for a while. That's good for now. It's raining out here. Well, the welder's gone, as you can see. He come and got it. The guy brought the battery for that. I'm waiting on belts, and this one here is ready to hit the dusty trail. We got quite a bit to do to that, though. Poor maintenance, one thing. That deck was, the idler pulley was all stuck up on it. Way over in the foreground, there's that little tiller, and we got the belts for that finally. After so long a time, and maybe we can get that thing out of here. It's a little rainy today, maybe not today, but sometime in the near future. But a lot of this stuff I don't go into great details showing you how to do it and all, because there's a gazillion videos on YouTube showing the same thing. And on top of that, I'm old and slow, and it takes me forever to do anything anymore. And so mainly just shows I am doing some stuff, not just sitting around taking it easy all the time. So anyway, that's it for right now. If we get anything else, we'll put it on here too. Okie dokie, well this tiller's ready to go. Finally get all the belts for it. It takes 3. That one runs backwards. That's weird. I've never seen that done before. But I mean, it runs inside out. And then blue and that's the other. So as soon as they come pick this one up, it'll be out of my way. And if I can get that coil very soon for that, I'll be getting caught up around here. This one here is ready to go. Waiting on belts. All right, so there we are on an update here. You know what we got here is an LT 160 John Deere, and the guy brought it over yesterday, and he said, well, it'll run a while, and then it'll just flutter out and quit, and it'll start back up eventually. So we're going to show you how it acts here. See if we can get her far up here a little bit here. Let's see, you got to choke it probably. Well, there ain't much point in going any farther on that. I'm relatively sure it's the coil, so we're going to get one of them. And then, actually, I got one ordered, so maybe be here about the end of the week or first of next week, and then we'll see what we got from there. So that'll be the first part on this one, I guess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Alrighty, there's that John Deere. I've been waiting on the coil for a couple of weeks, so it's ready to get out of here. Can't say hit the dusty trail because it's been raining quite a bit. Still got the belts on this one. And then that tiller can get out of here as soon as the guy comes and gets it, and as can get the Cadet. And I think I'm just about caught up on everybody. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and thumbs up and all that.